Astra is the RF's journey to the future. It's about how we innovate and continue to evolve so that we're ready to meet future threats. So we run the first hackathon back in 2021 and it came to be like an amazing success. So what we decided to do was do it bigger, do it better, involve every service that we could possibly get our hands on, all taking part and trying to build software products that are going to benefit defence and solve some of our knottiest and biggest problems.
So I'm one of the few full-time military senior product owners, and I'm lucky enough to have the privilege to be in charge of My Navy and My RF. These are both people empowerment tools, so they're progressive web apps that people access on their own personal devices. The reason I'm here today is because from a Navy perspective, we're trying to look at how do we identify the talented people, and then how can we then build those skill sets to be utilised in more effective ways as we build out more and more mobile applications and products and services.
So this is the second year that Contino have partnered with the Ministry of Defence for this Defence Hackathon event. And it's incredibly important for us to help the MOD discover some of the hidden talent that is within the defence organisation across the country.
We held a workshop today on getting hold of data, doing something useful with it. At Contino, we've got years and years of experience between us of getting hold of data, all the difficulties with it, all the challenges, and then doing something useful with it and getting it back to answer some sort of business questions.
Hackathons are important because people get together, we're exchanging ideas, and it's really nice actually from my point of view, seeing other people develop and learning about new areas and see what people are out there and how we can engage people better across defence.
It's only day 2 of the whole week, but it's the first day of the actual hack, so it's really early days for us. We're just getting to grips with what tech we're going to use, how we're going to build our applications. But it's really exciting. It feels like the time is running away already, but yeah, it's thoroughly enjoyable, loving it.
So Contino have been great. They helped us last year, during the RAF Hackathon of 2021. They were what I'd call key enablers, really. So they sat alongside the teams. They, used some of their delivery leads, some of their cloud services engineers, and really enabled them in building out the technical solutions that was then played back to the Chief of the Air Staff. And so, it's great to have industry partners like Contino and the others that we have here today.
I'd really like to see more of these events done within defence, bringing agile techniques across defence because of the value that it really adds. It's great to see how we're developing our people.